So, hey guys, if you are looking for a free way to create a online course, then I highly suggest that you install a WordPress and you use a Learndash plugin. So, what is a Learndash? Learndash is an online course creator that can allow you to create an online course similar to Teachable, I would say Udemy, what else? Learn Worlds and such for free. So those sites that I've mentioned has a price tag. So if you are a startup and you cannot afford to open for a subscription, then using a Learndash will be a perfect fit. And it doesn't really and it's not really hard to configure it. You just need to follow the process, and I'm going to help you how that works. So again, if you are interested, stay tuned because I'm going to show you how. Without further ado, 1, 2, 3. Now, I'll just gonna walk you through first how Learndash, like the features of Learndash, why I choose Learndash, and then we will start working on the configuration after. This is so quick, okay? So reason why I like Learndash is its add-ons. So Learndash has a lot of add-ons that you can definitely use to make your system more advanced and professional. It also helps you with the marketing thing. And again, you can always use other online course platform, but Learndash doesn't require you a monthly payment over on the other online platform that I mentioned, like LearnWorlds. But LearnWorlds is amazing. I'm not saying that LearnWorlds is bad. It's just a matter of the budget. So if you're the type of person that you're tight in a budget, then Learndash is something you should consider. So in Learndash, you can have a unlimited courses and one unlimited license for only $159. This one, like these are the things that you can get per price point. So just check the site and use my link below to get a discount. And for the features as well, it's similar with different like famous WordPress themes right now. They have these drag and drop courses builder that you can easily modify. They have this like you can integrate quiz and certificates and a lot more. So just check the other features on their website. Now let's start installing the Learndash LMS. So simply log into your WordPress website and go to the plugins and then install the Learndash. So this is, I already installed it actually. So this is the Learndash LMS. And of course, you need to purchase it if you want to use this plugin. Okay, so once you already activate this Learndash LMS, you can see this part here, this custom post type called Learndash LMS. So on the Learndash LMS section, there's a lot of features or sections that you can add on into your courses. There are lessons, there are topic, quizzes, questions, certificates, groups, and you can even create an assignments to your students, see the reports, and add-ons, as I said, is this one. So if you want to, let's say, put some Learndash notification to your learners, then you need to install these add-ons, okay? So let's start first in creating a course in Learndash. So go into the Learndash, click the add first course, and then let's say I'm gonna just type in FB course 0 to hero guide. Okay, so for example, that one, and you can also put a category. So for example, this is for just Facebook courses, and hit, actually I don't need to hit the publish, let's just hit save there. And then after you've done that, actually I'll hit publish anyway. So after you hit the publish thing, you'll see this part here. It's still empty right now. This progress bar is visible because I am signed in to the WordPress. But if you open the incognito mode, so I'm not signed in incognito, so I can only see this one part here. By the way, kindly disregard this part. I really need to remove some of the ad set display on my website. So yeah, once you're ready publish your course, we can then first let's start with the builder first. So no, not builder. Let's start with the settings area first. So on the settings area, you have this option whether you want to add a materials on your courses like PDF or something like guide, but we want to make it basic for now. So course content, would you like to be visible always or only visible for the enrollees? So I just want this to be visible to the enrollees. I don't want them to access my courses regardless if it is paid or not. They must enroll to the course in order to access my course content. So only visible to enrollees. Now, in this part here, open means like everything has an explanation. So I don't want to explain this one by one. But for the common part is it's a paid one. So let's say your course is $29. So you put that there, publish $29. And if I switch that, and I click this one here, take this course, it will goes to the checkout, like the PayPal integration thing. Now I have a tutorial on this, so I'm gonna put the link description. How do they enable the payment gateway in Learndash? So make sure you check that out if you are confused how the payment gateway in Learndash works, because there are three options I believe that you can do for your payment gateway in Learndash. So yeah, that's it. And then let's jump in. Let's go back to the course again. So we already have that one here on the settings area. And then if you want to add a certificate, we haven't set the certificate yet. Let's just keep that for now. Okay, so prerequisite thing is, let's say you have a beginner's guide for the courses. Now, actually, let's just discuss that later. So, okay, so I have this, and then let's jump into the builder tab. So under the builder tab, we haven't set any lessons yet, but I want to add something like a title. So this is like I have an overview. I want to add an overview. I want to add another section, maybe intermediate, and then here advanced, update, fresh. And if I refresh this one, I believe it's not visible because we haven't added any lessons yet. Now on the courses, you can also position it by clicking the down and up arrow. So still, I want the overview on the top and then intermediate on the middle and advanced. Now, there's two ways for you to add a lessons into your course. You can click this add new lessons in here, or you can go this section called lessons. And then let's say I have this, I'm gonna create a first lesson. So first lesson, so for example, that, let me just grab some Lorem Ipsum in here. So Lorem Ipsum. Okay, let's copy that for now. We'll put it over there and then published. And then if we go into again to the course page and we refresh this page here, you'll see that there is a new lesson added called Facebook Introduction. You can then check that and put that on whichever headline, in which headline you prefer. So that one. So if we publish that and we view this, oh, it's not visible because I'm not yet enrolled. Let me just go into the settings part and I want to auto enroll the admin. So here, let's enable that. So if you want to auto enroll the admin, just go into the settings section, general, and enable this part here. Okay, now we are already enrolled. I'm going to refresh that. So you can see here, there is a Facebook introduction settings. Okay. By the way, if you want to know more how this focus player works, how you can enable this focus player, because this is not enabled by default in LearnDash, you need to configure that. If you want to learn how that works, I have other tutorial. Again, I'm going to put the link description below. Yeah, so the intermediate and advanced is not visible yet because we don't have a lesson. So we need to add a lessons on these headings in order for us to make this visible. So let's say you can also use this area actually instead of going on the lessons part. So let's say Facebook Business Manager and click add new, and then I'll put it there, and then Facebook custom Facebook aggregated events. Okay. Add and Facebook sandbox. So that publish, and if I refresh that part there, I can see already all of the lessons. So if you want to keep the headings visible, make sure that there is a lessons inside of that headings. Otherwise, it will be invisible on the front end. Okay. Now, I don't usually use this part here. I mean, these course pages as my landing page, because if they enroll to the website, it's a little bit confusing for them. So what I normally do is I create a custom post type. I call it my courses in here. And I also have a tutorial how you can create a custom post type in your WordPress. I have a tutorial on that. I'll put it on the link description. Now I have this custom post type here. And let me just create a course called Facebook 0 to Hero. Okay, we'll publish that. And let me just enable the theme builder here. By the way, I am using Divi. So if you want to use this theme, then I'll put the link description below where you can access that or where you can download that. Yeah, let me enable that part there under this part, my courses, save. Yeah, Divi is also a one-time payment, or you can also subscribe to their yearly license. So I will enable this Divi builder here, and then I'll go in enable visual builder, and then let's try to select a preset themes in Divi. So pre-made layout, I can choose, is there a course sales page here? Course. Hmm. Okay, I can use this one. Let's just use this. Okay, use that. I will change this one later. For the purpose of this presentation, let's just use a random design. Okay, so if you want this, by the way, if you want this to make it full width in Divi, you need to set a themes option. So go to the themes and then go to the Divi builder. Okay, and then click the add new and then go to the courses. So where is the courses? All courses, create course. Here under that part, I will add build a custom preset, and then we will choose build from scratch, post, and let's choose post content there. And then here, I want that to be full width. So let's do that and refresh. So yeah, you just need to change this part here. You can put W viewport. Let's try. I don't want to go very detailed on the Divi thing because our course is about Visual Builder. So I don't want you to get overwhelmed. 100 viewport. Okay. Anyway, I'll just need to fix this, why it's not 100%. But really, you just need to tweak the theme builder in Divi. So once you already set the landing page on your course, we just need to replace this button in here. And there is a short code for that if you want to redirect your button to a specific course page, or to you want to redirect them to your payment gateway thing. So this is the short code, Learndash underscore payment button, and then the course ID. So we'll copy that, put it on there, enable the visual builder. I mean, this process still works even though you're not using Divi, even though you use Elementor, it's both fine. But yeah, so here I have this Learndash payment buttons, but I need to change this course ID. So go back to the Learndash and then go to the courses and then click the edit for us to know what is the course ID. So this is the course ID. So you copy that and you put it on there. Okay. So currently when you are logged into the WordPress, and if you are already enrollee in the WordPress, which I do because I auto enroll myself because I'm an admin, you cannot see that payment button. So I'm gonna open an incognito mode for me to see the payment button shortcode. So here, and this one looks so crazy, but you can just change the CSS for that. So if I click the take this course, you click that, it should goes to the PayPal. Okay. And if you want this to change, like this, take this course, you can go into the settings area and go to the custom label thing. So instead of take this course, you can type enroll now. Okay. Let's copy that. And then we set up like that. There, you can see it is already enrolled now. I'm just not sure if the button can be changed. Like, can you make the button looks good without using a CSS code? Yeah, I don't think it has an options in here, but you can just inspect the elements. And this is the Learn-CSS class. So I'm gonna inspect these elements, and it seems like this is yeah, so that's the class name. So I'm gonna type in background, maybe black, and then I wanna add a border 0, no, maybe 10 px, and then we'll make it solid, and then black, and then border radius of 5 pixel maybe. And of course, color should be white. Text decorate or font transform. No, text transform should be uppercase. And I want the font weight to be bold. Yeah, I can add more border in it so it looks good. So you just need to paste that into, okay, so I'm gonna copy that. Let me zoom that out so you can see that class is there. So here you go, because I will not create an article version for this. So just copy paste that. And then I'm gonna go into the Divi theme options. If you're not using a child theme, you can put it in here. Why I have a lot of CSS code in here? That's weird. But anyway, so if you're using a child theme, I highly recommend that you put that on the style.css part. So I'll put it there. Let's call that course page or course button. That should be a course. Just type in course because I have a lot of things that I can create for the course. Like I have a lot of CSS classes that I can put in for the course. Oh, you know what? I felt that my child theme CSS doesn't work because I disabled the plugin. So I might gonna try to install a child theme from scratch and just don't add a functions to PHP on there. Like there is a hook for that. Like if the child theme is deactivated, they will disable the style.css stuff. So I'll just reconfigure that later. So where is the My Courses? Okay, go to the My Courses again. I'm gonna go to View and copy link addresses here. Oh, that's so weird, but it's not working. Okay, here it works now. If I click that, it should goes to the payment gateway. And that's it, guys. I still have other second batch of this tutorial. If you have any questions or concerns that you want me to prioritize on my next video, please comment down below. I will definitely consider that. Thank you and have a great day.